Hey everyone, so your messages aren't sending on Android. Let's fix that real quick. First things first, just restart your phone. I know it sounds simple, but this fixes most issues. Hold the power button and tap Restart. Next, check your signal at the top of your screen. Make sure you have bars and that airplane mode isn't on by accident. Swipe down from the top to check. Now make sure your SIM card is in properly. Pop it out and put it back in if you need to. Oh, and check if you have enough credit or if your plan actually includes texting. Some carriers need you to have a balance. Still not working? Go to Settings, then Apps, find Messages, tap Storage, and clear the cache. If that doesn't work, clear the data too. Don't worry, it won't delete your texts. For picture messages that won't send, go to Settings, then Apps, then Messages, then Mobile Data, and make sure background data is allowed. Last thing, if nothing else works, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, find Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings. Just know this will forget your Wi-Fi passwords. And that should do it. One of these should get your messages sending again.